Okay, good morning, my people. I've seen two videos on TikTok that I say let me speak on this. I saw a man saying that Andrew is only going in the areas where there are only labor rights, mainly labor rights. And I've seen a video where Nikisha Burrell is crying in tears for help for the Westmoreland people. Westmoreland people need help as well, and that saddened me. That had me in tears also. People of Jamaica, this is not the time for politics. This is now time for unity. Unity is strength and strength is power. The other rest of Caribbean islands and the world at large is trying to help Jamaica. We don't need this division. If they can come together and help, why can't we, the Jamaican people, come together and help and stop this nonsense, this foolishness? This is not about politics on the both sides. It is not about politics. And this needs to stop. This foolishness. We need to come together and unite as one and see how best these people can get help. Election done pass and gone and Labour right done win. And we can't do nothing about it. You understand me? And we need for tappy. Labour right and PMP, I know it's time for it. Me a die at it PMP, I mean I have the time to talk about politics because I don't have time about politics right now. That now gone away. People they need help, and with a PMP, Labour right, everybody needs to come as one because we are all one people. This needs to stop. So make we join hands and hearts together, see how best we can get help and how best we ourselves can help each other than pointing finger and showing shades and talking about politics. This is not the time for it. And a politics time now. A unity time now. After this a big old disaster, we kill how much people lose everything. We have time to talk about political warfare. We don't have the time for it. This is not a time and place. So let's come together, unite, and try to build back our beautiful island of Jamaica. And no bother with that foolishness here. Because this now gone away. Alright, Jamaican people. And that is it. That is it for the day.